Welcome back to my channel. So have you ever wondered what are the things that leads to fish kill? Well, today I'm going to tell you what are some of the things that lead to fish kill and also unbox my API kits. So stay Welcome back to my channel. So today's video, as I mentioned earlier, I'm going to show you how to use the API kit, and this I will encourage anybody that's into fish farming to invest in this kit. It's a very simple use to kit, but it's a one-stop kit that can help you test 4 parameters in your pond, which is the pH, the nitrate, the nitrite, ammonia, and ammonia, which is kind of very important for you to know, so at least you'll be able to tell if your fishes are at risk or not. So let's start it. So it's come like this, like you see this to protect it. I bought it from Amazon. It's kind of very easy to do. I'm sure you can only get it on Amazon. I'm not sure you can get it from Alibaba, because I remember there was a time I was trying to get it from Alibaba. I did not, so I get it from Amazon. So it comes with first of all, we have like a test tube to test the water. So this is where you put your water. Since you have 4 tests, so it's 4 test tubes in there, but for me I have only 2 now because I've been using it. And also we have 4 tests, so let me just like show you. There's the nitrate. I hope you're seeing it. There's the nitrate. Yeah, it's only 1 bottle. So we have the nitrite. Yes, comes in 2 bottles, so you use the 2 together. You don't use one. Yeah, those 2 go together, so you use 2 of them. That's it. Then you have the ammonia and ammonia that you test. Also comes in 2 bottles as well, so you use the 2 together. Then you have your pH as well. That's it. You use the 2 together. So that's it. So it's kind of very easy to use. Everything is in the manual, very detailed, and on the bottle as well they tell you the number of drops you have to put in your solution, and everything in this manner is a very straight use water test kit that you can use. And one thing that I love about this kit is it's mobile, so it's not heavy. You can just put it in your backpack and there you go. So that's it. So I just want to like interpret some of the colors on this card here, because that's the color you match after you mix the solution with your water and you wait for like 5-10 minutes. This colors is what you see and you interpret it. So they all has numbers. For the pH, it starts from 6 up to 8. So depending on the color you see. So from 6 to up to 7.4, it's good for your fish, like it's naturally okay. But the moment you start having a reading from 7.8 to 8, it tells you like your pH is not okay, you need to do something about it. Then when it comes to the ammonia and ammonia, it says from 0 to 8 ppm. So the best range for you to be is between 0 to 0.50. That's kind of okay, because ammonia is what the fish eat it and the feces they put it, okay. But the moment you start going to 2, 4, and 8, meaning your water is toxic, you need to do something about it. Then we also have the nitrate. This tells you about the amount of iron in the pond. So it also reads from 0 to up to 5. So your best range can be 0, but if you have 0.5, it's okay. But the moment you start going to 1, 2, and 5, you need to do something about your water, meaning your iron is very high in your pond. The last but not least is the nitrate, which is the zinc as well. So you have to ensure that it also reads from 0 to up to 160 ppm. So your best bet should be 0 to between 0 and 5.0. The moment you start going to 10, you need to be worried. So these are the color reading and their interpretation that you need to take cognizance of when you are testing your water using the PI kit. And I encourage everybody that's into fish farming to invest in this kit. It will save you a lot. It will help you to really know your water status before anything can happen, so you can correct it before it can lead to a huge loss, to the loss of your fish. So I hope I was able to teach you something, and I hope you learned something. I still remain your girl, Miso, your farm lady.